Hello, today we're going to make oatmeal raisin cookie bars, and these are so delicious and they are much easier to make than cookies. These are all the ingredients you're going to need. If you have any questions, you can leave them down in the comment section. So first off, you're going to grease and line an 8 by 8 inch pan and set that aside. Now you can even use a 9 by 7 inch pan if you want to. Then you're going to take a bowl and add in all your dry ingredients, so that's your oats, your whole wheat flour, the ground cinnamon, and salt. Here I have used 3 half teaspoons of ground cinnamon, which is equal to 1.5 teaspoons. Then you're going to mix up all your dry ingredients till it is well combined. And once that is done, you're going to add in your wet ingredients, so that is the oil, the honey, the brown sugar, or you can even use jaggery powder or ground jaggery, and then add in the peanut butter, and you can even melt this if you want to. And make sure you get all the peanut butter goodness in there. And then you're going to mix everything till it's well combined, and it will take a few seconds for everything to just melt together. Once you have your cookie dough ready, you're going to add in your raisins. Now you can even add some nuts in there or some chocolate chips, it all depends on you. You can modify this recipe according to your needs, because I do know that not all ingredients are available right now because of the lockdown. And then you're going to transfer the cookie dough to your pan. And then you're going to press it all down and distribute it in the pan, and make sure to press very firmly so that the bars do not fall apart. And then this goes into the oven preheated at 170 degrees Celsius, and you're going to bake this for about 28 to 30 minutes. And once that is done, you're going to remove it and let it cool completely. I like to let it sit on a wire rack for about an hour. Now, because it is summer here, I also chill these in the refrigerator for 1 more hour. This ensures that they are not going to fall apart when I'm cutting them into bars. Use a knife to loosen the edges before you remove it from the pan. And then cut them into squares as big or as small as you want. These cookie bars are soft and chewy and heavenly. And they taste just like oatmeal raisin cookies, but they're so much easier to make and relatively healthy, which makes it the perfect treat. I hope you try these out and let me know how they turn out if you do try them. I'll see you soon with a new video. Hope you're staying safe and taking care of yourself. Bye!